When was the last time you changed your oil? If you can't remember, it might be time to take action. Today, we're going to explore a topic that often flies under the radar but is essential for your car's health: the hidden benefits of regular oil changes. Most people think of oil changes as just a routine maintenance task, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. First off, let's get one thing clear. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It lubricates the moving parts, reduces friction, and helps prevent overheating. But what happens when you skip those oil changes? Over time, oil can break down, losing its effectiveness and turning into a thick sludge that can wreak havoc on your engine. So, staying on top of your oil changes keeps everything running smoothly, which brings us to our first hidden benefit. Did you know that regular oil changes can actually improve your car's fuel efficiency? That's right. Fresh oil allows your engine to run more efficiently, which means it doesn't have to work as hard. This can lead to better mileage. Studies suggest that changing your oil regularly can improve your fuel economy by 1 to 2%. It might not sound like much, but every little bit adds up, especially if you're driving a lot. Another lesser-known advantage is that regular oil changes can help extend the life of your engine. Over time, old oil can cause wear and tear on your engine components. By replacing it with new oil, you're not only improving performance but also preventing costly repairs down the line. Think of it like a preventive health checkup for your car. Spending a little now can save you a lot later. Now, let's talk about resale value. If you ever plan to sell your car, having a documented history of regular oil changes can significantly boost its resale value. Buyers are more likely to trust a car that has been well maintained, and a solid oil change record is a clear indicator of that. It's like showing off a great report card. It makes your car more appealing. You might be surprised to learn that regular oil changes can also help keep your car cleaner. Fresh oil contains additives that help clean the engine, removing dirt and debris that could lead to clogs. This means less sludge buildup and a cleaner running engine. It's like giving your car a mini spa day every time you get an oil change. But what about the environment? Yes, regular oil changes can be eco-friendly too. When you keep your engine running efficiently, it emits fewer harmful pollutants. Plus, disposing of old oil properly ensures that it doesn't contaminate the environment. Many auto shops offer recycling programs, so you can feel good about doing your part for the planet. So, how often should you change your oil? The old rule of thumb was every 3,000 miles, but many modern vehicles can go 5,000 to 7,500 miles between changes. Check your owner's manual for specifics. And don't forget to consider the type of oil you're using. Synthetic oils often last longer than conventional ones. In conclusion, regular oil changes are about more than just keeping your engine running smoothly. They can improve fuel efficiency, extend your engine's life, enhance resale value, keep your engine cleaner, and even be better for the environment. It's a simple task with significant benefits. Now, I want to hear from you. How often do you change your oil? And have you noticed any differences in your car's performance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car tips and tricks.